Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bring back the status vertical style in WhatsApp. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. First, make sure that your app is up to date for security and performance reasons. Now launch the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android device. At the bottom you have several options. Open updates. Here you will see that my status is in horizontal format. Now within the status tab you'll likely see channels you follow listed at the bottom. You would also see your channel that you created, that is if you have one. So first open your channel, next tap the top of the channel. Here scroll down and tap delete channel, tap delete again to confirm your decision. Next go to the other channels you follow and tap on it, here tap the three dots, and then tap unfollow channel. Then tap unfollow again. Repeat this for all channels you follow. After unfollowing, go back to the status tab and you will see that your status updates have switched back to the vertical style. That is how to bring back the status vertical style in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.